In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in the Mailchimp email editor to fit your layout. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the image controls, how to adjust sizing with confidence, and how to make sure your design looks polished across your email. Once you're inside your email campaign and the editor is open, start by locating the image block that contains the image you want to adjust. Image blocks are the sections in your layout specifically dedicated to images. Hover over the layout until you see the image area highlighted, then click to select that block so the editor knows which element you're working on. Next, click directly on the image you want to resize. When the image is selected, the right-hand panel will show options related to that image. This panel is your control center. If you don't see it immediately, make sure the image itself is selected, and not just the surrounding column or text block. You'll know you're in the right place when you see settings specific to images. In the Image Settings panel, look for the Size or Image Size option. Depending on your template, this may appear as a width slider, a percentage field, or both. The key here is that Mailchimp generally scales images by width relative to the container they're in. That means 100% width fills the column, while smaller percentages keep the image proportionally smaller. Go ahead and adjust the width slider, or type in an exact percentage if you prefer precision. If you're working in a single column layout, a width close to 100% often looks clean. In a 2 or 3 column layout, try a smaller percentage so the image doesn't overwhelm its column. Keep an eye on proportions. Mailchimp maintains aspect ratio by default, so changing width won't stretch your image oddly. If the image looks blurry at larger sizes, the original file might be too small. Reducing the width can help restore clarity. Before you lock things in, preview the image to make sure it fits the email layout properly. Use the preview option to see how it appears within the full design, and, if available, glance at both desktop and mobile views. Check that the image aligns with nearby text, has sufficient spacing, and doesn't crowd buttons or headings. When you're satisfied with the size and placement, click Save and Close to apply the changes. This confirms your adjustments and returns you to the main editor so you can continue designing the rest of your email with your newly sized image in place.